Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will talk about 5 double consonants. These are stronger, tenser versions of basic consonants. No air escapes, tighten your throat and make the sound sharper. Let me read it so you can hear how it sounds.
까, 따, 빠, 싸, 짜.
And these double consonants have names.
쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒.
And these are some examples of double consonant words. I will read the Korean, just listen how it sounds.
까치, 빠르다, 쓰다, 떡, 짜다, 아빠, 예쁘다, 오빠.
Korean has 11 compound vowels. Compound vowels combine 2 basic vowels into one sound. Some sound very similar. Even Koreans sometimes mix them up. You don't have to be perfect, don't worry.
에, 예, 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 와, 왜, 워, 왜, 위, 의.
And these are compound vowel example words. I will read Korean and just listen.
개, 새, 네, 세계, 과일, 외국, 위, 의사.
Thank you for watching video. See you soon.